Yo, so back again. Today it's gonna be Avatar: The Way of Water trailer reaction. Uh, this is like the sequel to that old sorry, how long ago was the first Avatar? 2009. That's when the first Avatar came out. 2009. This one is 2022. Wow, that's a long time. It's over a decade since the original version. That was like new thing with all the 3D was incorporated, and then like all the subsequent movies that filmed to that, like for a while they had like that whole 3D technology. 3D was around before, but like that new way of implementing 3D where like it was immersive, an immersive version of 3D. The old Avatar was basically like Pocahontas, just like a version of Pocahontas with aliens instead of Native Americans. And it wasn't a great movie. It was good. I'm not, it's good filmmaking. I'm not really for that, but it wasn't like it was a technology that was groundbreaking. The actual story and everything that wasn't groundbreaking, but it was great. It was good cinematography and the CGI and 3D, magnificent. And just looking forward to seeing what we're gonna what's gonna be happening in this one. It's been over a decade. It better be good. Alright, let's watch. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's very cool. Oh, the humans and the Navi, they are collaborating now.
I know
Green ones. Oh.
wherever we go, this family is our fortress.
Well, that was interesting. Um, like the previous one, it looks like it's great. Visuals, cinematography. I have no clue what that story is about. But it looks like it'll be interesting. Definitely gonna be not gonna be Pocahontas 2, because yeah, Pocahontas 2 Pocahontas went to London and stuff. Whatever. But so at least you owe me that, and so I'm looking forward to see what we get out of that story. And it is out. This is supposed to be December 16th, right? Sorry, that was at the end. So Christmas. I'm a Christmas movie. All right. So we have some returning people: Zoe Saldana's character and um the Sully guy. What plays the Sully guy? The other guy that was Sam Worthington. Okay, right, he's back. Zoe Saldana's back. Okay. Gonna be interesting to watch, and looking forward to it. And we shall see. No, I'm not a big Avatar fan, but hopefully this one gets me into it. You know, because I liked the first one, but it wasn't spectacular. But I hope this one is spectacular and I fall in love with it. So look forward to that. Okay? See you next time.